Hey guys, I'm here back with the video, and in this video let us discuss about V answers. Yes, after a long time. So the first question is, what are your thoughts on the new iPhone XS and XS Max? If you consider recent sales of iPhones, iPhone XS Max has more sales than the iPhone 10 because people are preferring the bigger iPhone because it was the first ever iPhone which was 6.5 inch OLED display. And the next question, what are your thoughts on Pixel launching? So we can expect Pixel 3 series smartphone, we can expect Pixel watch, we can expect Pixel Surface new book, and we can also expect Pixel stand for wireless charging. But recently we have seen the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL smartphones leaked images. If they are not true, the launch event will be exciting. But probably that may be true. And the next question, what are your expectations on the Realme 2 Pro smartphone? Realme 2 Pro is launching on 27th of this month. So the specifications of Realme 2 Pro are already out. It comes with Snapdragon 660 processor, it has water drop design, it has dual camera, it has fingerprint sensor and etc. So for more information, you can visit the menu blog in which you get more technology updates time to time. And the next question, what do you do in your free time? So in my free time, I play PUBG. And the next question, what are your thoughts on OnePlus 60? So recently there are a lot of rumors that OnePlus 60 will gonna launch in October 17. Yes, we have already seen some stuff in the Amazon like OnePlus 60 is coming soon. So we can expect OnePlus 60 will come soon. And it was rumored to get 100 display fingerprint sensor and also with water drop design. And one thing you should notice is OnePlus 60 will not have headphone jack. Yes, the company officially confirmed that OnePlus 60 will not have headphone jack. So that's a little disappointment because OnePlus series is famous for headphone jack, but this time there is no headphone jack on OnePlus 60. So this was a little disappointment. OnePlus series are famous for its headphone jack, so why OnePlus 60 will not have headphone jack? Maybe we don't know, maybe company don't know because Apple removed the headphone jack and Android phones are removing the headphone jack. So this is the overall video about the menu answer. So hope you like this video, and if you have any questions, please comment below. I will try to answer in next video. So thank you for watching. Let me tell about our blog. So we have a blog called v13, in which you get latest technology updates every day. If you want to visit my blog, please visit link in the description. So you can go there right here, and if you like how I update the tech news time to time, you can subscribe to our blog and you can enjoy the tech news time. So thank you.